Mahashivratri, the great night of Lord Shiva. It's one of the most auspicious nights in the Hindu calendar, celebrated with reverence and devotion. It symbolizes the union of Shiv and Shakti, the cosmic forces of creation and destruction. But Mahashivratri is not just a night of prayer, it's a transformative experience for the body, mind and soul. To make the most of this sacred occasion, here are some sensible and practical do's and don'ts. Mahashivratri is celebrated on the 14th night of the lunar month, just before the new moon. It holds immense significance for spiritual seekers, as it is believed that on this night, the planetary alignments create a powerful energy conducive for meditation and spiritual growth. Devotees observe fasting, chant Lord Shiva's name, and visit temples to seek blessings for health, prosperity, and liberation. To honor Mahashivratri in a meaningful way, follow these practical tips. Prepare yourself spiritually. Start your day with a bath, preferably with water infused with neem or tulsi, to cleanse and purify your body. Wear clean, preferably white or light-colored clothes to promote peace and serenity. Practice fasting. Fasting on Mahashivratri helps purify the mind and body. If a complete fast feels challenging, consider a fruit-based or liquid diet. This enhances your energy levels and keeps your focus on spiritual practices. Chant Om Namah Shivaya. The mantra Om Namah Shivaya is considered extremely powerful. Chant it with devotion to align yourself with cosmic energies. Visit a Shiva temple. Offerings like bay leaves, milk, and water on a Shivalingam symbolize devotion and surrender. These acts are not mere rituals but pathways to connect with the divine. Meditate during the night. The energies on this night are potent for spiritual awakening. Meditate, chant, or simply sit in silence to absorb the vibrations of this sacred time. Staying awake throughout the night is a tradition, signifying vigilance and self-awareness. While devotion is key, avoiding certain actions ensures that your observance remains meaningful and respectful. Don't indulge in tamasic foods. Avoid foods like meat, garlic, onion, and alcohol. These dull the mind and body, interfering with spiritual practices. Don't overlook personal hygiene. Cleanliness is a fundamental part of any spiritual practice. Ensure that you and your surroundings are clean before starting any ritual. Avoid negativity. Stay away from anger, gossip, or negative thoughts. Mahashivratri is about inner peace and transformation, so focus on positivity and self-reflection. Don't overexert yourself. While fasting and staying awake are significant, listen to your body. Overexertion can detract from the spiritual experience. Avoid distracting activities. Refrain from engaging in mundane or materialistic tasks. Dedication of this entire day to devotion, reflection, and spiritual growth is important. Mahashivratri is not just a festival. It's a chance to connect with the infinite within us. By following these practical do's and don'ts, you can align yourself with the divine energies of this night, transforming your inner world and bringing peace and clarity to your life. May Lord Shiva bless you with wisdom, strength, and enlightenment. Om Namah Shivaya.